Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You know what? I'm sorry because I know you're mad. And we haven't had a video in a few weeks. And it's been really tough, I'll just admit, because of a lot of different things. We've had snow and ice in February, late February, and we had no power, so we couldn't make a video. And then eventually got to make a video. Jimmy wasn't able to make it, and then we had flooding. You can see in these videos and pictures that, you know, it's just been really tough. And we can't get up to the track. I did go up and check the track. Well, this is what the winter storm did. Ice storm. Destroyed everything. There's the road up to the track. It used to be clear. Now there's at least 4 or 5 trees down over the road. So we have to go up and clear them out. So that's what we're doing today. And then maybe we'll be able to get back to the track. We cleared a path to the track, as you can see here. Now we have a nice trail up to the track and the pond so we can do some fishing. But man, that was a good like 3 or 4 hours worth of cutting. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of wood. But now we have tons of firewood for next winter. Gotta look at the bright side. We fixed it, we cleared it all out, and then we had a torrential storm. Not even the flooding that we had previously that washed the road out to go up to the track. We couldn't get a truck or anything over. It's being fixed today, but we'll get back to the track soon after it stops raining, because it's supposed to rain for the next, you know, off and on for the next week and a half. So it's just been non-stop issues, and I just wanted to apologize because it's not how we wanted to do this. We want to have more videos, and we will. And I've been working on the 1K video that was promised, and I had nothing but problems with it too. As you can see, this is what we planned, and this is what's happened so far because of some issues. But I'm not giving up, and I will finish it, and we will get you that video as soon as possible. We just have to make some adjustments. So with that said, let's get into the video because I don't want to talk about it anymore. I'm tired of it. I just want to get back to making videos. We're going to work on my 45cc Baja again because we got some upgrades. As you can see in this video clip, this 45cc Baja is not the fastest. I think the gears are limiting it. Plus, you know, honestly, I haven't even got to go out and run it much, but now the weather's breaking, I can. So it's not fully broken in yet, so it will get faster, but I have some new gears. I got a 19 and 55 pinion gears here that we're going to swap out and make this thing go faster. So we're going to get right into it. We're going to go ahead and change these gears and go out and run this sucker and see how it works. Now this gear is metal, where this one is plastic. It is what it is. I didn't know it was going to be metal. I thought it was going to be plastic. I'd rather have plastic just in case, you know, it goes to like ripping this gear and trying to I need something to break. It's not going to break the transmission, but for now we're going to go ahead and use this one, and man, it's going to rip. I just know it. Let's get into it. All right, now that everything is buttoned back up, we're ready to go. We got the gears changed. Now we get to go run. We're just gonna take it outside and run it down our like little strip that we have, grass strip, and see how it does. I'm excited. This thing is gonna rip, I'm sure. I doubt it'll do any real wheelies because we're not gonna be on asphalt. Or will we? All right, we got all the electronics tested. Batteries are charged. Now we just have to turn the sucker on, give it some juice. Oh yeah, turn the batteries on. Turn the electronics on, I mean. Start this bad boy up, here we go. This 45cc really starts easy, I gotta say. Woo! so loud. It don't sound right. Something's not right. Yep. Something's not right. Well, I found two things. One of my bolts came out on the exhaust. So that's not good. And you can see my brake is crunched one side. It looks like this little bolt right there came out. So we're gonna fix those two things real quick and we're gonna try it again. Okay, I took the gear off and there's a little hole right here that I can put a driver through and get to that bolt. So I'm gonna put some thread lock on it so it don't come back out. And then I'm gonna find another bolt and put in to the exhaust. Okay, got that back in. I got some Loctite on it and ready to go. Got the gear back in and I got a new bolt for the exhaust. It is ready to go. So I'm gonna put the cover back on and then we're gonna try this again. All right, here we go. Woo! That's better. Whoa! You didn't see that, but it's a lot faster. Dang! Oh shoot! All right, see that little road up there? Let's go take it. All right, here we go. Ooh. Woo. Oh shoot, I wrecked it. All right. A lot faster. A lot faster. A lot faster. All right, I can tell a huge difference in the way it was. You can see it in this video here. You can see how fast it goes. Now watch this. Good grief. I can't keep it straight. Okay. This thing is awesome. Way better. Woo. I'm not even going full speed yet. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah! Woo! That was close. This thing rocks! Way faster. Woo! No water. Woo! All right. Verdict? Bam! This thing rocks. I love it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I gotta say, the new gears, they're awesome. And it's only gonna get faster because it's still getting broken in. I think we only get rid of like 3 tanks of gas through this, mate. Probably 2. So it's gonna get faster. This thing rocks. My GPS speed tester is not charged, so that's my fault. But we'll get a speed test on this sucker next time and see if it's how fast it is. The original went 35, I think, miles per hour. This should easily go 40 to 45, probably 45. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are too. So make sure you stick with us. Stay tuned. We're sorry about the lapse in videos. We will get back to it, starting with this one. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe. So God bless you. God bless America. Be empowered.